Number 9 reads, in the Arctic, electric socks are useful. A pair of socks uses a 9-volt battery for each sock. A current of 0.11 amps is drawn from each battery pack by wire woven into the socks. Cool. Find the resistance of the wire in one sock. So, in number 9, let's set up our 4-step process. Step 1, we draw a little picture. So one day, if you ever explore the Arctic, sounds like it'd be pretty cold, you would want to have a pair of electric socks. And it sounds like the way it works is pretty low tech. We just have a 9-volt battery that you plug in, and then that battery powers a circuit which pretty much is a bunch of wires woven into the sock to generate heat, and all it is it's a resistor put in there to block the flow of current to generate heat. It's a general idea. Okay? So the picture's not super fancy. We're just trying to think of current flowing through the sock to give off heat. But we just want to set up 4 steps to have a good habit to visualize all the information. Next, in step 2, we want to list all the info. So the first thing we see is 9 volts, 0.11 amps is the information given. So the voltage of the circuit is powered by a 9-volt battery. The current drawn was 0.11 amps. There we go. And we want to find the resistance of the wire in each sock. R equals question mark in ohms. Okay? Step 3, we write out our equation. Well, if you don't remember the equation for resistance, we can use our Ohm's law triangle, where we have V, I, and R. So if we want to find R, if we cover it up, resistance is simply the ratio of voltage to current. The bigger the resistance you have, it will take more voltage to push the same current through, is a way to look at that. Okay? So this problem is pretty trivial. In step 4, we can plug and chug. For R, we want to find our resistance. For V, we can substitute in 9. For I, we're going to put in 0.11 amps. And now we'll get out our calculators and plug and chug. If we do 9 over 0.11, 9 volts divided by 0.11, there we go. There we go. 9 divided by 0.11 amps, 9 volts over 0.1 amps, we get a resistance of, we don't need scientific notation, let me just switch that back to normal. We get 81.8 ohms. So number 9 is a straightforward application of using Ohm's law to keep your feet warm if you're ever in the Arctic, or if you're lucky enough to have a pair of these socks in the wintertime. And there you have it, number 9 in a nutshell.